In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Skool community referral code. Let's get started on this step-by-step guide so you can easily navigate through the process and start sharing your referral links with ease. First, to kick things off, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you've done that, type Skool into the search bar. You'll probably notice a list of search results, but what you're looking for here is the official Skool website link. It should be right there at the top or somewhere near the top of the list. Go ahead and click on that first result and it will take you right into the Skool website. Now that you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found on the top right-hand corner of the home page. Enter your credentials, your email, and password associated with your Skool account, and then hit that login button. It's pretty straightforward, but if you run into any issues, it's always a good idea to double check your input just in case there's a typo. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your profile, which you can access by clicking on your profile picture or name, again likely situated in the top right section of the screen. This is essentially your main hub where you can manage various settings and functions related to your Skool account. Next, you'll want to find the affiliates section. This is usually housed within the profile menu, so go ahead and click on that. Affiliates is the area where the magic happens when it comes to sharing and tracking your referral links. Upon reaching the affiliates section, you'll be able to see your affiliate links clearly displayed. It's a pivotal part of reaching out to people whom you think would benefit from the Skool community experience. It's arranged in a user-friendly manner that's easy to navigate. If you've spotted your affiliate links and you're ready to share them, it's just a matter of clicking the copy button. Clicking copy automatically saves the link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you choose, a text message, an email, or on social media platforms, making it easy to spread the word about Skool. And that wraps up this simple process of finding and utilizing your Skool community referral links. Now, you're all set to expand your network and share the benefits of Skool with others. Keep in mind, sharing your referral link is a great way to engage with prospective community members, so feel free to be creative in how you share it. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.